Hello everyone. Myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium. As we all know, we celebrated 21st of June as Yoga Day, and we decided that this week we will celebrate as Yoga Week. And as a dance teacher, I am going to give you an aerobics on this Yoga Week. So in aerobics we are having many steps, and basic steps are step touch, side inside, forward foot up, backward foot up, and V step, L step, C step. So there are basically many steps in aerobics, but we will start steps. I will give you the name first of the steps. I will show you the steps, and then we will start with music, and with music we will do the steps. So for aerobics, let's get started. Here we will do step touch. So basically step touch is we have to take our right leg and left leg will touch, left leg and right touch. So it is step touch, step touch. But in step touch I have added forward step touch. So forward step touch, forward step touch, forward step touch, forward step touch. So 4 steps we are supposed to come forward. 5, 6, 7 and step touch, step touch, step touch, step touch. 4 steps. Now for backward movement we will do march. March generally we do like that, but in aerobics we will do the toe, toe, toe and toe. Now in these basic steps we can take many of the hand movements. We can change hand movements, and for this choreography we will take the hand movements like step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, back march, 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 march. Okay, so 2 steps basically we did. Now the other step is V step. For V step, what we are supposed to do, we have to draw V on the floor. V draw करना है floor पे. So first we will take right, then we will take left, then right at place and jump. So we draw, actually we are drawing V on the floor. So it is 1, 2, 3 and jump. This is the V step. In V step we will use 1, 2, 3, 4, it is jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3, jump. Next step is open close. Open close step, it is like open close, open close. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Open close, open close. Okay. In open close, it is called jumping jack also. Now many more steps are there, like forward foot up, backward foot up, right? Now forward foot up, right, left, up. It means if we will start with right, we will take our left leg up. So 5, 6, 7, right, left, left up, and right elbow we need to touch it. Okay, then we need to start with left to the back side. Left and right leg. Okay, again we will start with right, left. Left से पीछे जाएंगे, left backward 1, 2, 3, 4. So forward, foot up, backward, foot up, forward, foot up, backward, foot up. Now step touch, right? So this is step touch. Now at place we will do the twist step. Twist it means we have to twist our leg, twist and twist. Now here also we can add many hand movements. But in this choreography, we are going to use first one hand, one hand, one hand, same hand, same leg. Now change the hand movement. One hand, one hand, one hand, one hand. Now both the hands, 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 but movement has changed. 2, 3 and 4. Here you have to remember that legs movement, twist, it is same, but hand movements with one hand and both the hands, it is different. Now next step is C shape. In C shape, you have to move this side, 2 forward, 2 backward, 2 place, 2 forward, 2 backward, 2 place. It is step touch only, but we have to draw. जैसे हमने V shape draw किया था, this way we need to draw C shape. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. In this C shape also we can add many more hand movement. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 and 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so this many of steps I have explained. Now with the music we will do all the steps together. So let's try.
DJ Drag on the mix.
Step touch forward. 3 4 1 2 3. Again 1 2 3 4. Backward 1 2 3. Now V shape. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1. Change. One hand. Now both the hands. Forward foot up. Again. C shape.
On the mix.
So hope you all understand the aerobics many basic steps I have given, and you can try all these things, all these steps on any other aerobics music also. So this much is for today's week, and keep dancing till next period, and we'll meet soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.